Hello everyone. Today I got a new Thomas and Friends motorized set. It's called Fix 'em Up Friends. Now this is the third motorized item I got to be based on All Engines Go. As you can see here, it comes with Thomas, a cargo car, Sandy, Carly, and the track pieces you've seen here, including that slide. You can drop off and pick up Sandy. Yes, you know, the low speed rail speeder. Yep, it comes with a total of 13 pieces. Like I said, it includes Thomas, cargo car, Sandy, Carly, the gray switch, two green curves, two green slopes, a slide, and a buffer. Twirl, tow, and tumble time. After they give Thomas a tune-up, Carly the crane twirls around to lift and load her friend Sandy, the rail speeder, into Thomas's cargo car. He tows her to the slide, and she tumbles down back to Carly. It's loads of fun. We'll see about that. I'm gonna just go ahead and open this. Just give it a moment. Oops. Sorry. Gotta get this. And under here. Now let's see if I gotta try and get Thomas, his cargo car, and Sandy out. Oh. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. I'm getting it. goes the cargo car, Sandy. I had to get this star-billing bastard out. Oh, excuse me. Got it. Excuse me, folks. There we go. Sorry about that long opening. I struggled to get Thomason, his cargo car and Sandy out. But these guys over here I got just fine. Now here's Thomas. Yes, this Thomas is different compared to it. Well, slightly different compared to his Big Friends release. But I'm not going into further detail. This is chassis. Here's the cargo car. And here's Sandy. Yeah, this is Sandy. Again, she's a rail speeder. Copyright 2021, Ghislaine Thomas Limited. Like I did with the other sets a few months ago, I'm gonna end this as part 1. I'll be building this off camera and give it a test run in part 2. So be sure to, well, you know the drill.